On March 12th, I will be delivering an abridged version of the Facilitating Quality Results workshop at the Meeting of the Minds in Palm Springs, California. I'm so excited to present this context, which has been updated for digital transformation in a world which is poised for artificial intelligence. However, I need your assistance to make the interactive part of the workshop engaging and effective. But first, let me provide a little context and a preview of the content. The workshop explores different approaches to process improvement and covers how to effectively use questioning to improve your customers' business processes. I advocate for the concept of facilitation to allow the customer to more fully own their decisions. In facilitation, and as an advocate for the client, I have no vested interest in the outcome other than the potential for maybe a testimonial or a repeat business. Although careful not to suggest any particular methodology, I recommend using a customer-centric improvement focus with process mapping and graphical representations. One significant change to the content of this course is the addition of data to the triumvirate of people, process, and technology. In the digital age, now more than ever, the process orientation is the key to operational improvement. Current agentic AI is being used to automate repetitive business processes that are primarily rule-based with an outcome orientation. In traditional business consulting, we've historically shown the crazy spaghetti-like inefficiency of the current business processes to demonstrate how we can streamline future processes. However, I advocate for using these traditional tools to understand the desired outcomes, knowing that the client has typically made the determination that modernization is required before they hire you as their advisor. For example, process maps do not need to be complex or be expressed linearly. In many service-oriented businesses, we have cyclical repeating processes. For example, with the rise of software as a service, the land and expand implementation methodology, consulting and reselling firms are in a never-ending sell, adapt, sell, and keep selling cycle. When I was originally learning and facilitating workshops like this, we used the process of mowing the lawn to show how processes work and how they could be mapped. My personal opinion is that this process is both boring and simplistic. So this is where I need your input to help me decide what we will be using in my Facilitating Quality Results workshop. I'll also cover the importance of measurement and data in the digital age. There are many different types of data, how to represent the data, and measurements matter. Accordingly, I recommend KISS concept for streamlining processes and for your improvement methodologies and presentations. If you are a consultant or a reseller who helps companies move from an entry-level system to Sage 100 or from a legacy system to Sage Intacct, you are facilitating process improvements and changes in behavior. Facilitating quality results includes tips and tricks you can utilize into your system's implementation practice immediately. I look forward to another great Meeting of the Minds in Palm Springs, California, March 12th through 15th. I hope to see you there and to collaborate with you on the afternoon of March 12th as we facilitate quality results. Have a great day.